Hi, are you annoyed with the autocorrect feature on your Samsung keyboard? Don't worry, here I will explain how to turn it off. While typing, or while the keyboard is being used, tap the settings icon. Or, you can also open Android settings. Select the General Management menu and select the Samsung keyboard settings option. Here, you just have to deactivate the Predictive Text feature. Then tap on the Auto Replace menu and make sure all keyboard languages are also inactive. Now, try to type with as few spelling mistakes as possible. If no words are automatically corrected, then we have succeeded. Now, what if we use a keyboard from Google or GBoard? Turning off the autocorrect feature is also very easy. Go back to the General Management settings. But this time, open the keyboard list and default option. Tap GBoard to open the settings. Then just disable the auto correction feature. And done. That's how to turn off auto correction on the default Samsung keyboard, and also on keyboards from Google or GBoard. Hopefully this is useful. And thanks for watching.